Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. We do lots and lots of roller shades, and some of them come with the lift option of UltraGlide. Now this is 2018 and UltraGlide has changed over the years, but let's just take a look at the newest version and make sure that we know how to use it. So if you have roller shades like these that are mounted at the top of the window, this is a roller shade, screen shade without a cassette. When we get over to this side, we're going to notice that it has the UltraGlide mechanism, and then if we look really close in here, you're going to notice that this can go in or out, this little button right here. So in order to lower the shade, you're going to pull towards you. Notice the angle is like 30 degrees. We're going to pull towards you, not all the way. You don't want to like pull this cord. You can notice here. That's way down there. This is the end. Cord, all the way up. That's like 3 feet. We let it retract back to where it was. Pull again. It'll go down to the bottom. If you want it to now raise to the top, we're going to change the angle. Notice where it is. And we're going to bring it to here. So it's kind of inside the window. And now when we pull, we'll notice and retract, pull, and retract. You'll notice that the shade is going to its upright position. So that is how you use the UltraGlide, and if you use it the way you're supposed to, then it will be long-lasting and a good product for you. Make sure that you train children or any guests how to use it to avoid any damage. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog.